All right. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Good afternoon. Come on. Let's get the music started and let's get this party going. Or get the party started. Yeah, that's it. All right. Let's see. Let's try this one. All right, we'll go with that. It's a good one. All right, let's go ahead and switch over. Where are we? Here. Let's see. Cool. All right, let me actually pop out chat because I know I'm gonna forget, and then I'm gonna do everything I need to do, and then all right, let's say hi to everyone. Armand, good morning. Johnny, hey crew, good to see you, my friend. Live Beats, good evening all, good to see you, my friend. How you doing? FBK Nismo, Ayo, what up, ABC crew? Good to see you, my friend. How's it hanging? Let's see. Alif, hi everyone. Hey everyone. Hello, my friend. Sorry guys, I literally, I don't know why I slept like a freaking baby last night. Like I went to bed at like probably close to around 2 a.m. Little like maybe before 2, and I slept. I literally woke up like 20 minutes ago. So I am still in the process. So if I butcher something or if I mispronounce something, my brain is still warming up. Let's see. Betabot, hello. You mit, yo, good to see you. Clap show, let's go. Victor S, good evening all. Good to see you. How you guys doing? All right, let's do, let me show you. Okay, I switched to live chat, so now I won't miss anyone. All right, cool. How you guys doing? You can see we pumped a little bit. We can go ahead and talk about, you know, the options at hand, give you guys an update what's going on. But before we do, I want to go ahead and talk about today's sponsor of the channel and of the stream today, which is Fairdesk. So if you guys are interested, right? If you guys are interested in signing up, check out the first link in the description. And you know, especially with all the Bybit stuff going on, you know, mandatory KYC by May 8th. You know, there's a lot of different options for exchanges out there. I'm giving Fairdesk a shot. You know, they reached out to me and we've been working together for a little bit now. So I do like the platform. It does have all the tools we need as ABC traders. So if you guys aren't interested, if you sign up and deposit, it does help out the channel. It does support me, so I would greatly appreciate it. And make sure, you know, with any exchange, guys, I always practice what I preach. Regardless of what exchange you use, you know, just practice good safety. Be safe about what you deposit. Never deposit everything in one exchange. Only deposit what you need to take a couple sets of trades, refill as needed. You know, just in case, you know, things might be good today, but things can always change regardless of what exchange we use. But that being said, I do appreciate it. I know a couple of you guys have signed up and deposited, so it really does help me out in the channel. So I do greatly appreciate it for those who did. So yeah, go check it out if you guys are interested. We're still holding our swing trades here. The account is around 10,350, and I'll go ahead and show the Bybit one as well if it decides to load. I don't know why I have to like maybe reset my Chrome browser, but every single time like I put my computer to sleep, come back and try to load up Bybit, it just doesn't work. Let me try opening another tab. But you know, I pull it up on my phone and it loads up perfectly fine. And I know it's not the VPN or Chrome because I literally just loaded up the music website, no problem, with the VPN on. So if it loads, I'll go ahead and pop it up. But let's go ahead and talk TA while we wait for that. All right. Oh, there it goes. Didn't want to do it. There we go. Sorry, I just want to make sure music's right. There we go. Okay. So, let's see. Can you do TA on Bitcoin dominance? I'll check it out. I don't know if I can really do ABCs on it, but I'll definitely give it a shot, Alif. Hey Johnny, sorry for being late. How are you? Don't worry, my friend. I was late too, so it's all good. But I'm doing good. Hope you're doing well. Druther, good day, Johnny. ABC crew, good to see you, my friend. I haven't seen you in a couple streams. Hope you're doing well. All right, let's go ahead and talk TA here. So first things first, you guys know the drill. I always like to start out on a macro time frame. If you guys have seen this before, you guys already know what I'm about to say, but I just got to reiterate. There's a couple different things we got to look at when it comes to the macro time frame. One, can we find an ABC? All right. Two, if we can find an ABC, how did it respond to that? I'm approaching it a little bit differently, so I'm trying this out. Now, as you can see, we put in an ABC. Within that ABC, within the C wave, there's an ABC. We went ahead and put in the reversal setup. We got back above. Now we're pumping. Now we pump significantly. Now the question is, are we done, or is this possibly the beginning of something? Now, what I mean by that is, a lot of the times this happens to occur more on smaller time frames, but what you'll end up finding out or end up seeing is that we do have, usually you get ABCs in either direction, right? I'm just painting an example for both. And what'll end up happening is you'll get a rejection, or it'll respect the ABC, but only momentarily, and then continue lower, right? And what ends up happening is it turns into a situation like this, to where that original ABC was actually just part of a larger A, right? And same thing here, you know, you might get a rejection, but then a continuation higher. And then what it'll turn into is a larger A to a B to a C. Now, even though this happens more on smaller time frames, we can definitely go ahead and apply this rule to the macro as well, right? So that being said, we have an ABC. The question is, are we done, or is this the beginning of something? Now, you guys can make arguments for both sides. Right? I am completely okay with you saying, you know what, we bottomed. And, you know, a part of me thinks that way as well. But another part of me wants to play devil's advocate and say, you know what, maybe this ABC is part of a larger A. Maybe we're working on a larger B wave, you know, whether we're topping out here, maybe one more high. I don't know. I really don't know. But let's just assume for now that we put in one more high, or that last high was the high. And, you know, we could possibly be making our way back down to new lows. Right. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is the most, I would say the most, wait, hold on, did I delete everything? Good, I didn't delete everything this time. This is the most bearish option. Right? To where we need to go down and at least break the new low, or break the most recent low, or not most recent, the lowest low at around 15.5K. From there, now I'm not saying we're gonna go to 10, I'm not saying we're gonna go to 8. I'm just saying all I need to see in order for me to be to confirm this setup is a lower low. Even if we get a slight lower wick past that previous low, that still counts. Right? I'm not looking for targets, I'm not looking for extensions, I'm just going with the flow of the market, allowing the market to show me what it wants to do. So that being said, that is the most bearish option, right? But always remember, guys, there's always variations of what could be going on. Now, another option that I have on the table is it this one? Yes. So, sorry guys, I'm still a little bit stuffy. I don't know why. It's always in the morning when I wake up. ABC, and that's it. We have bottomed, right? And now we're working on a larger A, to where we possibly have topped out for temporarily. I drew this a little before this peak, so just to give you an idea, I'd probably move this over to here. And we are going to be looking for a larger retracement. Now, this retracement will not break the previous low, right? That's the most important. As long as you don't break that low, this option is probably the most likely scenario, right? And then we got to go ahead and continue and eventually make our way back up. And guys, be aware, this is going to be slow if this is going to be the case. You have to keep in mind that when it comes to understanding the timing of the market, now I don't necessarily talk about timing at all, because we're not trying to nail the exact top, the exact bottom. We're taking the opportunities as the market gives them to us. But the one thing I do always take into consideration, the one thing I always talk about, the one thing that I do stick to, is the most important thing when it comes to timing is the Bitcoin halving, right? Usually, right, like I said, things are always subject to change, but every single halving cycle Bitcoin has had, It's usually about 3 to 6 months after that halving period hits. That's when we start to shift it to a bull market. All right. So because of that timing, I'm not too convinced that we're, in a giant bull rally that we're going to put in new highs. Can I be wrong? Probably. But if that is the case, I think we have to start approaching things a little bit differently, at least looking at the actual price structure a little bit differently if we do continue to just aggressively pump. So keeping that in mind, I'm not too optimistic. Do I want prices to go up? Part of me does, because, I have spot bags. It'd be nice to see money, continue to grow. But at the same time, I'm also aware that the halving is very important. The halving is a key reason to why. The halving is the most important thing to understand when it comes to the shifts between bear and bull markets. All right. So we have to just wait and see. And that's like my middle of the road option, to where we still need to come down, put in a temporary downtrend, find support. Like I said, as long as you don't break that low, and continue upward. The bullish option, I mean, to be honest, I already talked about this, but I didn't really get past breaking this apart. But maybe this was it. Maybe we just keep going up, with occasional pullbacks here and there, but maybe we just keep going. I know some people are trying to compare this to, I saw some that made me laugh the other day. I saw people trying to compare this to this right here. I've seen this online, like this area of price actions where we dump, kind of consolidate, and keep going. Now that might be true, but my thing is, this was coming off of after. Let me pull up the the actual Coinbase chart to show you guys. But you guys gotta understand, like, I'm pretty sure we were past the halving or getting close to the halving. I think the halving was around May. I don't remember exactly, but I know we were closer to the halving than we are now. So to me, it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. To me, if anything, if you guys want to talk about fractals, I honestly think we're doing something like this. I think we're in this aggressive uptrend. Now, I know it's kind of hard to, I don't want to go ahead and talk, semantics about trying to top it, but you can see we got a little bit above that golden pocket. If that's the case, if you really want to compare fractals, if anything, I would say I would probably say 48K is a good region to retest. That's being more on the optimistic side. That I'm willing to go ahead and consider an option. But until then, I really don't have anything else that makes too much sense to me. All right, so let's see. I hope you're doing well also. I am doing great. Thanks for asking, brother. Yo, FOMC tomorrow. Oh, is it tomorrow? Okay. I'll definitely, if I'm around, because I have to do a stream on David's channel tomorrow. If I got time, I'll pop in, maybe do an extra stream. I like doing those. We were just hang out, listen to Jerome Powell speak, watch crackhead timeframes. Beta Bot, how you doing, my friend? Can you please take a look at CRV USD, please? Yeah. I don't know why I took a second to think about that, but absolutely. As soon as we're done with the regular TA, I'll go ahead and talk about CRV. You sell it if we have 48K? I don't think I'm gonna fully sell. I might sell a little bit, try to take catch a top. I'm not gonna short. I'm not gonna exactly try to go ahead and use that as a key critical level. I might sell some off as like a macro spot position, probably to the point to where, if we go ahead and I might use like a 15% stop and I'll just buy back in if we keep going. I'll take a 15% hit. I pretty much bought a decent chunk of my spot bags down at 17K, so I'll be making more than enough on the way up. Crackhead time frame, my specialty. You guys are insane. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about what's going on as of now. All right, so you guys know I'm going to short off of this position. In case you guys don't know, I'm currently shorting off of this setup here. Now, is this the best setup in the world? Absolutely not. But to me, this was a valid area, a valid separation in trend, even though it wasn't the best. I was playing into the larger picture of understanding that, you know what, this could be an A to a B to a C. All right, if that being the case, this would be an ABC within the C. And to me, that would be a valid entry. Now, another thing you could consider is that maybe you put in one more high. If that's the case, I would be a lot more confident in taking a setup like this. That is much more clear to me. I probably will take that. We'll see. But I really don't see any other point to short anymore. If we just continue to, keep pumping past 30K, I'm just going to, cut my ties, walk away when I can, eventually come back, try to take a next available position. But I'm pretty much going to be done heavily shorting, not heavily shorting, but I'm going to be done trying to short BTC for a while. Hold on, guys. I need to do something. I need to blow my nose. Okay, sorry about that. I was just so stuffy. Every time I wake up in the morning, I usually try to clear myself out before I go on stream, but I just forgot to do it, and I'm all congested. So, yeah, that being said, that's pretty much the most important levels I'm keeping an eye on. And that's levels I'm shorting. I'm still holding the short. I'll be real with you guys. It's going to be tough. I would like to see a very nice push to the downside. Because if we just keep putting in these tiny little pullbacks and consolidation sideways trends, it's going to show signs of strength for Bitcoin, and we do have a chance to keep pumping. That's still not going to change the positions I'm taking. Obviously we had this pump, or at least this little pullback recently. If anything, I might take a long position. I probably will. I've been eyeing this for a while. I'm on a 2-hour. To me, this is a clear as day setup. Well, let me change this. All right, this is a decent setup. I'm on a 2-hour. It's clear as day, even on a 1 hour. Nice separation in trend. So I will consider taking this. Actually, I probably will take it. I like the one on BTC. I know ETH has a different one, or has a similar one. I'm not the biggest fan of the ETH one, but we'll go ahead and segue into Ethereum. Off of that remark. Let's see, where is Ethereum? All right, so same thing with Ethereum, guys. There's a couple different options on the table. One being most bearish option, ABC to an A, ABC to a B, and then that leads us to a C leg down to put in new lows. We did complete ABC within the B. We're still currently holding below that pivot. So as long as we're below, I will be holding that short. That's pretty much it for that's it for the most bearish idea. Another one is slightly similar, but instead of putting in an A to a B to a C, maybe this ABC was the bottom, right? And now we're gonna be working our way up in a much larger exaggerated ABC to the upside. That would probably be a more realistic idea for me, to be honest, if we do not break new lows. I just don't, it's the same thing with BTC. I just don't see it finding good support and just being overly aggressive to the upside. Like I said, I could have been wrong. I've been wrong before. But I'm just talking about the options of what could be going on. But that's probably the more realistic stance I have on Ethereum. Do I have any other ones? To be honest, that's pretty much it. If I'll go over the resistance levels. If we do break 2030, the next highest probability level to test is probably the 3577. Sorry, I need to take a drink because So 35.77. And pretty much the next level above that is 49, and then we can go ahead and talk about new highs. But 2030 is the serious resistance level we need to get through. If not, if we hold below, my bias is still to the downside. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, there's supports you could talk about. You know, support 1369 on the way down, 1071, 875, 2060. You know, it acted as a nice support resistance flip. I did notice that fairly recently, but nothing concerning enough for me to take an actual position off of. And then besides that short, I am holding a long from this setup here, and I will continue to hold this. If I get stopped out, fair enough. But the last thing I want to do is take this position off the table too early. And let's say I'm wrong. All right, let's say I'm wrong and we just go ahead and blast off to, you know, that, what was that level? We go ahead and blast off and test, you know, 35.85. That'll be a massive trade for me, and I definitely don't want to let that go. So I'd rather take the loss and be wrong versus try to chase new positions on the way up. All right, and that's pretty much it for Ethereum. Took uni long. Drink. Yeah, like I said, guys, I just woke up, so I need to hydrate. I wish you were wrong. We'll see, BetaBot. We'll see. I'm not married to one direction or the other. I have a little bit more of a bias to one side than the other, but one of the biggest things I've learned in the past is never ever be married to one bias, right? Never be too bullish, never be too bearish. Because you honestly just don't know what's gonna happen. And you see this way too many times on YouTube, Twitter space, that everyone likes to just jump the gun and be too aggressive in one direction. You know, price dumps a couple percent. People are already talking about, you know, new lows, which is insane. And then price pumps, we're going to 100K. We're going to 200K. This is the bull run. Relax, all right? It ain't over yet. So I just wait and see. I give you guys my thoughts, my opinions. I give you guys the levels that I trade, the levels that are important. You guys can go ahead and make your decisions based off of that. I'm letting you guys know the positions I take, let you know what I'm waiting for, and we'll let the market decide what it wants to do. So LTC real quick. Pretty much same thing. Unfortunately I haven't been paying too much attention to LTC just because it's LTC, and to me, I want to see a much larger setup build up. We have an ABC to a possible A, ABC to a possible B, which we did not get a new high, and then eventually I would like to come down for most bearish option to $40. Bullish option is that we just keep going. You know, we get back above that 104.27, we remain above, and we just keep going. That's pretty much it. All right, let's see. CRV. Actually, no, I'm almost done, I promise. BetaBot, I'm almost done. ADA, same thing. ABC at 42.18. I'm short 42.18. Now, if we can remain above 40.10 and push higher, you know, I do have spot bags, and I will continue to hold those and ride the wave up. What else? That's pretty much it for ADA. XRP. I got stopped out of that long position. Maybe if we put in another low, I might take that. But to be honest, 48.10 was the level. I know if you guys have taken that position with me and gotten stopped out, it's been an absolute pain in the butt. I know. I think I got stopped out maybe 3 or 4 times, depending on what stop loss you were using. So, you know, it sucks, but it's part of the process. Hopefully, if we can get a push to the upside, or if we get a new low, I'll try it again. But just in case you're bullish. What else am I? I'd like to show you my Bybit trades, but you know, Bybit's gonna be. Oh, now it works. There we go. Verify your identity by May 8th. No thanks. All right, let's show you guys the Bybit trades. So BTC short, 88 short, BNB long, ETH long, each short. That's pretty much all I have on the table. And yeah. Let's talk, let's see. What was it? Did I get everything I wanted to talk about? Yeah, that's pretty much it. KDA is KDA. I'm not trading it. I'm still DCAing once a week. Beta bot, same thing. Eventually I'm either looking for a low and a reclaim of 80 cents, or if we do not put in a new low, 129, or even if we do put in a new low, 129 is the resistance level to keep an eye on. Oh, BTC dominance. Yes, thank you for reminding me, Alif. I'm sorry. I will definitely do that. I'm curious, BNB. I think I see a long at 315. If it gets below, then above, would that be valid? Let's see. Oh, you're talking about that one? Okay. Let's see. Hold on. Let me go to like a... Okay, yeah. I would say it's a decent one, Joe. Yeah. For sure. I was almost... See, I took the one off of this green line. Obviously, I know it's not the same setup. But ABC, AB... Yeah. I would say it's a decent one. Alright, let's do BTC dominance. Is it BTC.D? Yeah. All right, it does. Is this all we have? That's right. Alif, can you confirm if that is the right chart? There's no way that's all we have. Oh, okay, because I was using a smaller time frame. All right, at least 22. It's the right chart, but you are on the 1 hour. Yes, I draw the out. Yes, that is. I did figure that out. Fortunately, I'm a little slow today. Okay, I can see. All right, nope, that doesn't count. That's lower low. I mean, it's not the best. There's this position. There's a macro one. That's like a short, I would say. I really don't see. I mean, there's a potential of this one coming into play. Johnny, zoom out completely. What am I missing something? Because that previous low broke the zero, so it's not this doesn't count. Unless there's more I'm missing. Okay, so I'm really being a dummy today. Why is my phone really ringing? Okay. The chart hasn't loaded all the data. Yeah, it's just because I was on an 8 hour, even on a 2 day. Let's see if I go to a weekly. Can you guys hear that? Sorry about that. Thank you for reminding me, Joe. I was able to get a good deal on a service plan if I had included a phone, and unfortunately, like I use it to talk to my grandfather. He doesn't have a cell phone, so I pretty much just use that to call him. And like, if he doesn't recognize like my house phone number, he won't pick it up. Like if I call him from my cell phone, he won't pick it up. That's literally the only reason why I have a house phone, is to talk to my grandpa. But even still, I haven't talked to him in a very long time. Let's see. Okay, so if this is the one we're talking about on a weekly or 2-day. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Okay. All right. Yeah. That is a very massive ABC. Okay. This changed my perspective a little bit. Probably will. I mean, you also got to take consideration. Like, I'm not saying I'm not trying to go against you, but you know, we're at resistance. So if we do clear that resistance, maybe above 48%, we have a good chance of going back up to 73. So very interesting. That was a good observation, Leaf. I never really took a larger look at the BTC dominance. I mean, for the bearish case scenario, you need to break below 35. Praying BTC Dom shoots up. I want cheap alts. Yeah. Me too, Joe. Gotta load up. Let's see. How is the stock market doing? DXY. All right, DXY still kind of consolidating. I mean, it did put in a bearish ABC. Anyway, S&P looks like it opened on... Oh, it didn't open. It did open? It looks like it opened on a downtrend, which is interesting. It's interesting how the DXY and the SPY dumped, but BTC pumped. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure if BTC can get to 73% ever again. Too many people staking ETH, ADA, etc. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe mid 60s. Let's see. We'll do something the old-fashioned way. Yeah, like 50 to 60 is a good range. $50 is valid for sure. Yeah, I think 50 to 60 is a good range that we keep pumping, but we'll see. Safe. Okay. Let's see, Johnny. How is Kite? Is he working right now? If he is, can you order something and get it delivered through DoorDash and get Kite to deliver it? Let's see. So Kite's good. Him and Monk have been playing No Man's Sky. So I think the reason why Kite hasn't been around is because maybe his sleeping schedule's probably kind of messed up. Because I went to bed at a little bit before 2 and they were still going strong. So I don't know when he and Monk went to bed. But yeah, that's probably the reason why you haven't seen him around. But unfortunately, Kite lives a good amount pretty far away from me. So in order for me to let's see, what would, if I had to guess, Kite's probably around maybe like 500 miles away from where I live. So you want to tip him at least $1 a mile, if not more. So I'll have to be paying $600 for a DoorDasher to come up to drive it to get it to me. But I don't think I could even do that. It'd be pretty funny if you could, though. See, I would not do a road trip like that. Like, imagine having to drive 6 hours to deliver one thing and you only get paid $1 a mile. I would do it for no less than 2. What is the activity you played after TA today? Badarius, I'm not playing wow, I can't think of it. What the fuck? Rocket League. I'm not playing Rocket League. I'm sorry. Let's see. Instacart pays 60 cents a mile, 300 for a delivery fee minimum. What, for longer range trips? That's terrible, Joe. 60 cents a mile is terrible. Good morning, Jody. Have you ever minted a coin? I just signed up to mint a coin called XCN for pennies on BSC. I don't know why that was a tongue twister for me. BSC chain, but it's for 1 year till you can claim it. Have you ever heard of XCN? Crypto Beehive, good to see ya, first of all. 2, I have never heard of that, and I have never minted anything. Like, I know the only thing I came close to actually minting was maybe, what was the name of it? There was this NFT game. Yeah, it was Z.run. So years ago, a couple years ago, basically you would mint horses and you would race them against each other. Wow, Netflix sponsors this? That's crazy. And that was the closest thing I ever came to minting something like this. Now, I don't know how it is now, but I can imagine it's probably a little bit saturated, because of this has been around for years. So that's the only thing I've ever thought considering of minting was a horse, to horse race, but besides that, not really. But unfortunately, Crypto Beehive, I can't speak to anything when it comes to minting stuff, NFTs, just not my thing. Or coins like that, I never heard of it. One day you should do a stream in your car driving to his place. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do like a hangout thing. You know, because it's like a 6.5 hour drive to get to his house. So maybe next time. Base pay is 60 cents a mile. Hold on. I'll read the rest of that in a second. See, base pay is 60 cents a mile, but guaranteed $7 per batch without tip. So it'd be 7 plus the 60 cents a mile if you didn't tip. 307. Oh, so you tell me I'd pay him about 307 to shaft him? Yeah, absolutely not. That would probably cost. He'd probably be spending like 30% of that just in gas alone. Oh, wow. I now Zed-Run thought about buying a horse, but then decided not to do it. Yeah, I was on the same boat. I wasn't too keen on it. I know Kite was doing it years ago, but he had it attached to one of his old wallets and just lost access to it. It was on his old phone, so who knows? That horse is just lost in the abyss right now. Niraj, what's up, Johnny? Do you think BTC will dump? I think as long as we're below 29,180, I think the probabilities are higher. I think we're kind of just consolidating. I really want to see a larger rejection. I honestly have a hard time believing that we're going to put in, a very serious bull market. I want to see at least a larger retracement, larger than this one. That's what I would love to see. And if we can, claim support or kind of test support down here around 19K, 19.5, then yeah, absolutely, we'll go for it. But besides that, Niraj, I'm playing it based off probabilities. Can we keep pumping? Absolutely. Am I too dead set on that? Not really. If this long setup does play out, or if we do, if we continue to dump, we will get that opportunity. I most likely will try it, but that's pretty much. I'm not too keen on price being too bullish right now, but I could be wrong. That's why I would never ever say never. I will never hold myself too high of a. No, that's not the word I'm looking for. I would never be too opinionated on one side. CryptoKitties is the future and the past. LOL. Yeah, CryptoKitties was like the first NFT, and no thanks. Let me ask you guys this: has any of you guys bought Pepe or PP? Pepe. Because this is the new shit. This is the new shit meme coin going around. Curious, how much would have made? Oh wow, yeah, you would easily have made 100x if you were buying around this region. 50x. Anybody buy this shit coin? Pepe is on weird exchanges, hard to buy. I know you can trade it on MEXC. I know a lot of people who are moving over to MEXC. Nah, meme coins isn't anything for me anymore. Yeah, no, I don't. I will say this though. Bought 100, sold at 700. Nice crypto beehive. Awesome. Nice trade. So I personally, during the next bull run, all right, what I want to do for fun is, I did this last year with Kite, is that basically we found we found a wallet address that was buying a lot of these shit coins. And basically what we would do is we would follow this wallet and buy basically these meme coins before anyone else would. And basically the goal is to double your money and get out. And I did actually fairly well on that. Just for shits and giggles. It was a fun time. Probably next bull market, when things start to get crazy again, I'll probably try it. But I think, the fact that this is coming out now and these meme coins are gaining hype now, interesting. I'll just say that at the very least. Oh, I need to sneeze. Ugh. Got like that burning nose in my sinus area that I had to sneeze. This weather is absolutely atrocious. I hate this weather. It was nice like 2 weeks ago. It was in like the 80s, 70, 80s. Sunny every day. Today it's 55, cloudy. Yesterday it was raining all day. Terrible. What do you guys want to do as our post-stream activity? You guys want me to go back on Tinder? You guys want me to do Wordle? Both? What do you guys want? P.S. I will not buy it again, no matter how much it goes up. Yeah, Crypto Beehive. That's one of those things where you literally get in, double, triple your money, and get the hell out and never look back. Never ever look back. What do you think about ETH? ETH, same scenario. ETH is at a much larger, had a much larger rejection at a much larger, more serious resistance area. You can see we kind of came back above 2032 and came back below. That is a significant area of resistance. All right. And plus that is part of a larger ABC here. As long as we're below this, probabilities are to the downside. And I'm definitely not changing my mind on that. Like I said, for ETH, I don't think I'm going to take that ETH position just because I like the BTC one better. But it really depends. In case I'm wrong. Johnny, what was your favorite childhood pen? What street did you go up on? Stop asking me security questions, Joe. Tradingview doesn't have fair dash charts, right? I don't think so. Yeah, not yet. I'll get in touch with my rep and see if they're gonna get their charts on Tradingview. But that's probably the next goal. That's the next thing I want to do. And I think, you know, if at some point, once, like I said, you guys have been phenomenal. I got a lot of signups, so thank you guys for signing up. A couple of you guys even deposited money, and I really do appreciate you guys for doing that as well. If more people deposit, and we can go ahead and get more signups, I'll start doing giveaways and stuff. We've been talking about that, me and the representative from Fairdesk. So I figured it'd be a good way to give back to you guys. I think it'd be great. You look at XEN coin and website just to get your thoughts on the project, and that's where I put Pepe profits into. If not, that's cool. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. Crypto Beehive. I emailed them. They said it's based on demand, so everyone email them and request it. Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, send your emails over to TradingView. Email TradingView, let them know you want to get Fairdesk charts on there. Now, what is this? XEN coin? Where would I find that? Crypto Beehive, where's the best place to find that? I'll take a look. I mean, I'll do the charts first. I mean, this kind of moves like a shitcoin. I mean, it pumped decently well. The only thing I will say is we are below a bearish pivot. All right. But if we can reclaim that, you can see this bearish pivot also acts as a bullish pivot. So even though, yes, we do have this ABC in play, we also have this ABC possibly in play. So I think that 50018 level is important. So if we can get back above, I think it can keep going. If not, I would, consider the fact that we are below a significant resistance. Also, email your congressman about crypto. If we can come together and show our representatives that we the people want it, maybe the U.S. will stop being dinguses. I mean, yeah, I feel like a lot of people will have to. I really don't think that. I don't think the crypto community is big enough to actually make a difference when it comes to that. I could be wrong. Oh, my BCRX. Not doing so bueno. Tell them how much you pay in taxes and they'll keep it. That's true. That's also very true. XCN. Yeah, I mean, like I said, Crypto Beehive, I'll give you my opinions on the coin itself based on the charts. I mean, maybe I'll take a look at the project. I'm not trying to push it off as like I don't care. I don't think I'm the right person for that. Like I don't care too much about tokenomics. I really don't care about projects too much. I don't care about marketing. I don't care about networks. I really don't care about that stuff. To me, most importantly is following the money. Right? When you follow the money, I actually want to check something. Look, even the Cadena miner is still in the top 10. So as of right now, you know, there's money to be made selling mining Cadena, and I purposely not purposely, I, for all intents and purposes, because of how the money is flowing and how I think it can, how I say this, what I think the potential of more money coming into Cadena is, I personally think that it has a chance to do very well in the next bull run. So, you know, that's part of the reason, or that's one of the things I look for when it comes to possibly putting money into a coin. I really don't care about, I don't even know what Eagle's song is. I don't care for it. Kuka 232, I don't know what that is. Sha 56 is Bitcoin. Cadena, shut up. I think there's serious potential when it comes to Cadena. So that's the reason why I might buy an altcoin or two. Is it's about the potential profitability. I really don't care much for anything else. Now, there's other channels out there, there's other people out there who do focus on that stuff, and I definitely think that's a good place to go if you do want to learn more about something, a certain project, a certain coin. Unfortunately, I can only give you what I think is best based on the charts. So I apologize, but you know, I gave you my opinion on what could be going on with that coin in the near future. So, oh, why is BTC pumping? It's okay. I'm curious how you tracked out the wallet's purchases. Was it wallet just doing BTC pairs and buying and selling? No, it was on Ethereum. So it was, I wonder if I have it saved. Hold on. Maybe I have it saved on my Chrome. I thought I had it saved in my... Maybe not. Damn. But basically you go on... What was the... I'm trying to remember. You go on Etherscan, and basically you're able to follow wallet addresses. So if you get a wallet address, you can see what the transactions on that wallet address is. Even on, like, if anyone has an Ethereum address, you can track it. So that's basically what we would do, is we would find this, we would go to a coin that we were buying, all right? And from there, like, I guarantee you, if I go to, let's see, we can do this now. Where can you buy Pepe? What's a Uniswap? All right, let's see if we can do this in real time. Is this it? Yeah. So I think if you go to the contract address, go to Etherscan. All right, and what you can do is basically what you would do is you would go to these wallets, all right, and you would find one that has a very high, very like, or a lot of transactions, or something that someone who put a lot of money into this contract. I don't remember exactly. Is there a way to do it from? When did this start blowing up? April 30th. Is it under Eternal? I wonder if I can organize it by... You can't. April 30th. When was that? 2 days ago? Whoa. Yeah, I wonder what is considered... Oh. I don't want just token transactions. Oh, we might be here for a while. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a while. Let's do last. 17 days ago. So let's see, like, how much ETH... Why is it not showing, giving me ETH amounts? All right, can I pick like a middle of the road page? How come it's not showing Ethereum values? Uniswap, yeah. Am I doing something wrong? How come it's showing that there's no ETH being transferred? I organize it by... I guess maybe judge it by the gas fee. I want to go to about maybe page 300. Basically what you're looking for is you're looking for... Yeah, around 2 to 3 days ago. So basically when it started blowing up, or even a couple days before. Actually, let's do before, so... 400. Yeah, basically the goal is to load up or find a wallet that has loaded up on this coin that has put a significant amount of money into it. $6. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Is this the right one? No, this is right. I wish you can track more. ETH gas fees are dumb, which is why I never use ETH for any transactions unless mandatory. Yeah, I try to stay away from ETH gas fees. You know, even though we should have never got rid of proof of work. Even with proof of stake, the gas fees are ridiculous. All right, let's see if we can find what's the most on here. All right, so let's just say this is the case. All right, this guy put $600 into Pepe. Basically, what you would do is go to this guy's address, and you can see what he's putting coins into. I know this is not a good example, but basically, some of these wallets would have ridiculous amounts of ETH in them. and you'd be able to basically tell or show, it would show you when they're buying coins, and all you would do is just put money into it at the same time they were doing. And eventually what will end up happening is you'll end up beating the majority of people because they most likely know something you don't. So that was the goal of this, just to have fun. But I can't, for some reason I can't find, if I had a better wallet transaction to show you, I would show you guys that. Actually, let me try something. Where is... Man, I can't find it, but if I can find Kite's video. Talking about Meow Coin.
Okay.
It's not, I don't think it's, oh wait. Oh, how do you check? See, like now, Mick Pepe's is what? He's got 5 million transact. Oh, wait, what's T? Oh, total locked value. Okay, never mind. So. Oh, here we go. I think this is what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. If this will load. All right, so look, this is what you would do. All right, you would go to these you would go to these wallets. So it looks like, wait, people, guys, like this guy's cashing out. This guy's adding in. But if you go to like, so let's do by time. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? Total value. I gotta go all the way back. Basically, the goal is to figure out like when someone bought. And see when they did it. The goal is to see who was ahead of the game. Who was doing this days before. Come on. Nine days ago. All right, so this, let's say, 12 days ago here. Did I miss the other ones? Great. Okay, 12 days ago here. All right, you know what? I'm afraid I did. I'm afraid I went too fast. Let's do it again. So I'm going to go through and make sure anything that says days. Got my eye shirt. Come on. You're looking for a wallet address that put a lot of money into this, way before anyone else did. Day. I'm looking for multiple days. And guys, this is by total value, so hopefully we can get a good idea. God, there's still people putting a lot of money into this coin. Jesus. What's... let's see. Yeah, $30 for gas fees in a bear market. They would be stupid in a bull run. Yeah, I know. It's going to be crazy. NFTs have definitely been a net negative to my ETH gas fee experience. Hey, bro. Mr. A, how you doing, my friend? Sorry, I'm trying to showcase something. Hey, do you always hedge your trades positions? I do if the opportunity comes, right? Ideally, in a scenario, what I would like to see is, let's say, for example, we're in this short, right? Ideally, I would want to see price make a significant move to the downside, all right? And then give us a hedge position, all right? I'm not doing it when, for example, that's, if I'm shorting here, I would hedge long here, right? I'm not doing it when price is, you know, if a position's like right on top of each other now, something like that. The reason why I would consider taking this is because it's an opportunity in case I'm wrong. All right. This is not a hedge. It's more of a basically playing the other side. All right. That's the goal. Now, if we get to a lower level and we decrease significantly and then we put in a bullish position, that's going to be more of a hedge. What I'm going to be considering holding that for a longer term. Well, it really depends. It really depends how this builds out. But yes, I do hedge, but it has to make sense for me based on the idea that we already get a much larger significant move in our favored original direction. But yes, I do my best to try to hedge. It's pretty much like, you got to think of how I trade ABCs as almost like a stepping pattern, right? I take a trade, profit, it gets in profit. I take a hedge trade, right? Either get stopped out or, price comes up and I can make money on the hedge trade. Then we get a continuation setup. Once a continuation setup comes from the original short trade, I can take profit, re-enter. And then eventually, it just keeps going. We kind of it's like a step, like we make steps or step towards progressing in our trades, if that makes sense. All right, 9 days ago. So this guy bought 14K worth of Pepe. And look, you can see this guy has a bunch of random shit on shite coins. How come it shows he doesn't have any ETH? But basically what you would do is you would figure out what he's putting money into. Like right here. He just put 10 ETH into this. So what you would do is you would copy this address, go to Uniswap, paste that address, wallet not found. Huh. Was he transferring? Oh, maybe he was just moving money around. Okay, where is it? Where's this guy's? What is this? It's on Uniswap. Oh, he bought an NFT. Okay, he bought an NFT. But basically, this is all you would do, is you figure out what he's buying. He probably has has it all as staked ETH. Oh, I got you. Okay. 14K to Pepe. That looks like a wild gamble. Can we see some of his other gambles to see if he's mentally challenged or not? Unfortunately, I do not know. Let's see his most recent transaction. What is this? Like he's buying mixed trust. I don't know what that is. At least that wallet was. But that's the main concept. Unfortunately, this is not really the best example, but we would go through and figure out, all right, what are these guys buying? 12 days ago, another 15K. Is this the same address? It is the same address. Wow, this guy bought 15K worth of Pepe multiple times. It's the same address, right? FE88, yeah. Seeds? Don't know what that is. All right, so let's see. 1.06. Look at that. Let's see. What was his most? Can I copy this into Uniswap? All right, so it's probably an NFT. See what else does this guy buy? Another NFT. 17 ETH. I tried buying 17 ETH of this. What is this? Jesus. But basically, this is how you would do it. That's pretty wild. Probably Tom Crown. Tom's been talking about Pepe for about 2 weeks now. Jeez. Who knows? But basically, this is what you would do. You would find... Oh, what's this? I think I got something. Hold on. Copy address. Damn, nothing. Another NFT. But this guy put 13 ETH into this. I wish I could figure out a way to... BitBoy released Pepe video. Top sign for this shitcoin. Yep, exactly. Are you hedging the ABC formula on BTC in the 4 hour? That long setup? Yes, I will be taking... I'm going to take this one as a precaution. If we fail, let it fall. That's wild. I really need to take a look at this. Might need to try to find some whale, but that's really interesting. Yeah, so Bidarius, I pretty much for literally like just shits and giggles, I took $1,000, and this is during the peak of the bull market. So, you know, $1,000 it wasn't as much as it is now. I literally took that, I swapped it for 2 or 3 random coins. I bought Meow coin or pussy token. I bought there's like 2 or 3 other shit coins I bought, and I pretty much doubled my money every single time and got out. So you really don't have to do that much research. I really don't have to do that much TA. But what you do have to, I wish I could find this whale wallet. I had it at some point. I don't remember exactly where it was. But there was a whale wallet that we found and we just followed it. And eventually it stopped making transactions. But that was the wallet we used. Man, I wish I could figure it out. Maybe after the stream, I'll try to. Yeah, big brave moves, brother. Thanks for sharing. No problem. Might be a great video series or Discord exclusive. It's not a bad idea, but Aries. It's not a bad idea. I'd be down to try that in a bull market. Maybe a collective group into Discord. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, I'll have to see how things work. I think the NFTs might throw things off, but man, I wish I could find this freaking wallet, man. Hold on, let me try something. Try one more thing. Oh, I think I found it, guys. I think I found it. Hold on. I think this is it. Hold on. Yeah, this is it. So this wallet's not active anymore. But what we would do is basically we would just follow this guy. He's still holding tokens. Jeju Doge. That's worth nothing. Wrapped ETH. Shiba Doge. But these coins, Ball Bag, that was one of them that we traded. But basically all we would do is we would just follow this guy. Every single address he would put money into, we would follow him. By the way, if you want to make it on shitcoins, you need to be sniping. D-Shuffle, hi chat. Let's see. Sniping as good as liquidity is added on when a method called by a dev such as open trading. Basically, it's not humanly possible unless you're sniping, botting. So yes, you're right, Mr. A, but what we would do is we weren't necessarily buying exact bottoms or tops. We were waiting until these larger wallets would move coins into, or move their ETH into these coins and basically follow them. Because what will happen is we would buy a token or we would buy a coin that this, let's say for example, this wallet. Let's say this guy moved, you know, at the time, let's say it was like 20 ETH, which was like a lot, right? $80,000 into a coin. We would move it in as well, but it wouldn't move like pretty much exactly as soon as it got the, or as soon as the contract got the ETH. It would take a couple of days. So what we figured out is this guy was ahead of everyone else. So he either had a connection to, because another thing I had to realize too, a lot of these pump and dump coins, they have inner circles, guys. They have people who basically know what's going to happen before it happens. So that's the concept of this. The concept of this is that this guy would know what coins were going to take off. So basically we would just put money alongside with him. And if it went up 200%, we cash out. We wouldn't hold it for moonshots. There are wallet trackers for that follow wallets automatically. Really? Where can I find that, Mr. A? That'd be very interesting. But this is the wallet that I can't believe I found this. This is the wallet that we would follow. Yeah, this was like 2 years ago. I snipe myself and know the game inside out. Well, Mr. A, if you wanna send over one of those wallet trackers, I would appreciate it. Mr. A, what's your wallet address? Xeron is an app you can follow wallets. You get notified when they make transactions. Okay, that's it. I'll take a look at that, Umit. But yeah, all right, guys, I'm not too concerned about doing something like this until probably the bull run. I get that. I get what you're saying. I have many whale wallets and also have a tracker bot that executes trades automatically. That's pretty cool, man. Did you program it yourself? Or did you get it off like a platform? All right. So, guys, we're reaching the hour-and-a-half mark. We're going to play some Wordle. Why it's not loading? Internet's good. I'm still here, guys, am I? Yeah, connection's still there. Okay, I'm still here. I don't know why this isn't loading. Okay, but if I type a direct website, it works. Okay. All right, so you guys know the drill. Audio. Okay, so the U's in the right spot. Interesting. I know a lot of 6-letter words that start with human. Human's a good one. This sucks. Wordle banned. Yes, maybe Wordle got hacked and Russian hackers are trying to steal your Pepe coins. That's funny. Let's do. I'll try sucks. No shot. Wow. All right, Joe, I thought you almost had it. So it's SU blank K blank. I sucky. There's no sulky. Oh, that's a good one. Sulky's a good one. There we go. Joe got it. Congratulations, Joe. You are today's winner. You get a thumbs up from me. All right, guys. So you guys know the drill. I'll be here. I'll be here. Not well. I won't be here. I'll be in David Tech's live stream tomorrow. So it's not his main channel. I'm sure at some point I'm going to be doing a video on his main channel with him. But if you guys go to YouTube and type in David Tech Lives, for some reason his channel name is David TV, but every time I try to put in David TV, it doesn't come up. So if you guys are interested, I will be on this channel tomorrow. So yeah, definitely go check it out. I'll drop, if you're in the Discord, I'll drop a link for it. It's going to be around 12:30, so a little bit earlier than when we started originally. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So if you guys have any questions, or if something happens, you guys want to get an update from me before Thursday, I will be here. If not, if you guys don't want to, tune in, all good. I will be back here on Thursday, same time, 1 p.m. EST, 6 p.m. UK, right? It's 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours. So 6 p.m. UK. If things change, I'll let you guys know ahead of time, but that's the plan going forward. So definitely go ahead and check it out. If you guys aren't subscribed to David Tech's live stream channel, please go check it out. Let's see if we can get him over to 1,000 subs. And also I think his main channel, is almost 100K. Yeah, he's so close to 100K, guys. So definitely go ahead and check that out. He's a great guy. He's very smart. He's a great coder. Pretty much he's focusing on automating different strategies. And like the stuff that he comes up with is insane. So definitely go ahead and check that out. If you haven't subscribed, let's get David to 100K. I would appreciate it. Show some love. If you guys are going to come to tomorrow's stream, let them know you're from my channel. Besides that, if not, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. So you guys know the drill. You guys know what I'm about to say. Be good, be safe, trade smart. Don't be stupid. Don't use crackhead time frames. I should come up with like a giant list and just read off the list every stream. So you guys know the drill. Hopefully we'll get some more action here soon. Hopefully we keep dumping, but if we pump, no hard feelings. You guys will get an update from me in the Discord if anything happens in between. If you guys are interested in checking out the Discord or the ABC Crash Course video, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. Pretty much, you get access to the community, my real-time setups, tutorial videos. The Crash Course is just a tutorial video. It's a 2.5-hour video showing you everything A to Z, how to draw trends, set up trades, set up ABCs, set up positions, everything you're going to need. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out first. So, love you guys. Be good. Be safe. Driller, keep between the ditches. It's been a while since I heard you say that, so it's good to see. Let's see, Badarius, you get 0.001 Pepe coin. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for your info, brother. Thank you so much, Joe. See you tomorrow on David's. Yeah, David is amazing. Need to recommend his Discord as well. Yes, I will definitely shout him out his Discord more when I'm in his doing his sessions. This is another chance for you guys to go ahead and learn, basically get an update from me or learn from me. But everyone who stopped by today, thank you so much. Joe, Druther, Badarius, Umit, Crypto Beehive, Mr. A, where D Shuffle, if you're still here. Umit, I think I said Umit already. Who else? Armand, Niraj, Alif. I think I got everyone. Beta Bot, if you're still here. But thank you guys so much. Until next time, be good, be safe. Let's go ahead and do the thing. I'm going to hide behind the channel sponsor. Just stare into your souls for a little bit. I'm going to move myself down a little bit. You just got to see the eyes. There you go.